Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to review this Biotique Bio Apricot Refreshing Body Wash, and I am going to discuss the plus and the minus of this product. So if you are interested and haven't yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe, press the bell icon and give this video a big fat thumbs up, and let's get into the video. Let's talk about the packaging of the product. This product comes in this plastic bottle with a screw cap. This is a made in India product, and the brand mentions that this is 100% soap free formula, and this is Ayurvedic recipe, 100% botanical extracts. This is not a cosmetic product. It has therapeutic properties, and the brand claims that this is organically pure and preservative free, dermatologist tested, and no animal testing is done. Color of this body wash, as you can see, is bright orange, and I have finished this one till this mark. The consistency of this is gel-like. The life of this product is 3 years from the date of manufacturing, and it has got a fruity fragrance to it. You will have a luxurious bathing experience at a very affordable price range. Yes, talking about the price, 190 ml retails for rupees 180. They have other two size options, which is 200 ml, which retails for rupees 199, and 800 ml, which retails for rupees 720. This is one thing that I like about Biotique, is that their products are super affordable and they have different size options. So customers can buy different size according to their need and their budget. To apply this is you have to pour generous amount of this on a wet loofah, and then you massage all over your body. Now this lathers pretty well, and you have to take a little quantity and a little goes a long way. It cleans your body, and also it helps to remove that weakened dead skin cells over the top surface of your skin when you use a loofah. Yes, I am not telling that it will help to exfoliate your skin, no, but the weakened dead skin cells can get removed when you use a body wash with a loofah. The negative point of this one is that they don't share their full ingredient list, rather they share their key ingredients. So the key ingredients out there is kubani oil, banhaldi root, haldi root, richa fruit, kora seeds, and purified water. And another negative point that I found out is that the fragrance is not that long lasting on the body. Like bathroom में आपको 4-5 घंटे तक नहाने के बाद इसका fragrance will be there, but on the body the fragrance is not very long lasting. The next positive point about this is that these are easily available in the market, be it online shopping websites or offline stores, so you will get Biotique products super easily. So that's all in my today's video. If you like this kind of mini review videos, then please do give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe, press the bell icon, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.